e hara te kāinga I te whare noa. He mauri tōna. He rau maharatanga hoki ona.
Kara, we're home.
Here we are. Together again.
Okay, get off now.
Morena.
Morning.
Morning, Dad.
Meaning Ottawas.
And you're all living here now? How's that one going?
Do you think I've had a free ride?
That's the fun. Oh.
You and Auntie need to stop fighting.
My program, very funny.
Kia ora, my darlings. No mai hoki mai ki te kāinga.
Showing.
What is going on?
It's bad. He doesn't know how bad.
Accidents are bound to happen with this many people living under one roof.
It has cost us everything, and that is why we're really home.
I'm lost, Bub.
How lucky we are to have one another and to be here at our homestead together.
What I need is a truckload of money.
Oh, wow. At least we got this place, eh?
Yeah.
Brand new, this is home. Ākuhata ki Māori Plus me Whakaata Māori.